get the high score in the test if you know how to do that. So the next one, we have the fare is $10 per person in the parking lot. There are 3 persons in a car. How much the ticket? So in this question, we have $10 one person, but in the parking lot we have 3 persons. So the price of the tickets is about $10 multiplied with 3 persons. We have $30. So the next one, a bus can carry about 30 people. How many bus to carry 370 people? So that we use 370 people divided by 30. So in here, we know 330, 370. We need to know how to do divide. First, we have one first, that's it, 30. So we have left 70, and then we have 2, and we have 60 in here, so we have 10. However, we need one bus for 10 people, one bus, so that we have 12 plus 1 to get 13 bus. Be careful with the test like that we talk about how many bus to carry all of them. So that we need to learn plus 1 bus so that we can carry all people in here. A florist has 550 flowers. How many buckets of flower? It means in the test, a florist has 550 flowers. How many buckets of flower to get 550 flower per bucket? So this is similar in the next. In this one, just use 55 divide to 50. So that we have 11 buckets. So in the arithmetic reasoning, they just ask you very basic one like this. That is the basic. So I move some specific one. Many one people will do about age. It means how old are you? How old the person to compare together. For example, Peter is younger than John 4 years. John is older than Mike 5 years. Total age of 3 people is 45 years old. What is the age of John and Mike after 3 years? So that we will know that there are 3 persons in here, but we don't know the exact age. So that I will select John is S. S it means we need to find the number of the John first. So let's look. John is older than Mike. It means that Mike is S plus 5 because Mike is higher than John, and Peter S plus 4. So that's it, the way we do. Oh, no. Sorry. Mike is older is s minus 5. So that when we do like this, we have three functions, s minus 5 plus s minus 4 equal to 45. So that we have 3s equal to 9, 45, 3s, (36) like that, because we just minus 5 both sides together. So that's s equal to 12. So that's John is 12 years old. So the question is, what is the age of John and mine after 3 years? So right now we know John is 12. So after 4 years is s plus 3, or 12 plus 3 is 15. And they ask Mike. So Mike, it should be s plus 5 is equal 12 minus 5 first. So that's about 7, but we need to add 3 because they asked about after 3 years. So we have 10. That's it, the way we need to remember. So the average is on the test too. We have 3 children, 8, 11, 14. What is the average of 3 children? We just sum together first. 8, 11, 14. Then we have the answer is 8 plus 11 is 19, and plus 14 we have 33. And we know that 33 divided by 3, we have 3 children. We need to know the average, so that we sum 1, 2, 3, that's 3. We have 11. So the average of 3 children of age is 11. So the next one, a student got 93, 95, and 90 in the test. So he must get 92 to get the scholarship. What is the next step to reach the scholarship? It means they will 92 is the average, minimum average to get the scholarship. But we have the score on the 3 tests. So it means the next test is number 4. So we need to find the test number 4 should be 92 multiplied with 4. We have 368. That's the total number of 4 tests. And we use 368 minus 93, 95, 90. So let's calculate 368. We just minus 93, 95, and 90, and we have 90. That's it, the way we do. And the test number 4 should be at least 90, so that he can get the scholarship. The next one is the simple interest. Simple interest is many people will do the test. On the test, we have the simple interest. A female deposits $1,000 in a bank with 12% annually. How much interest she can earn after 2 years? The test, they talk about how much interest. Be careful, they don't talk about the total value. They just talk about the interest. So we have 1,000 multiplied with 12%. So that after year number 1, we have $120. That is the first interest. And the next one, after 1 year, we have $1,120. So the next one we multiply with 12% again. So that we will have the average. It should be $134.4, because after 1 year we need to add the original money plus the interest from the year 1 to find the interest for the next year. So the total interest for the after 2 years should be like this, and we can have 254.4. So that's it, the total interest after 2 years for simple interest. Velocity will be on the test. We have the basic formula. Velocity equal to distance divided by time. So I have some question. What is the velocity of the car? A car ran 250 miles in 5 hours. So we need to calculate the velocity. So velocity equal to distance divided by time equal to 250 miles divided by 5. We have 50 miles per hour. That's it. The basic one to do. The next one, how long to reach the distance? A bike ran 5 miles per hour in 2 hours. So we need to find the distance. In here we need to know that the distance in here. But to calculate the distance, we move the time up over there by multiply. So the distance for here equal to velocity multiply the time. So we have 5 miles per hour. 2. So the distance is 10 miles. Here. That's why we need to memorize this formula, because that's it on the test. Percentage always on everywhere in the ASVAB. So let's show how to do. There are 60 students in the room and 20 students are female. What is the percentage of male? So we have 60 students in here. We need to calculate how many students are males. So that we need to minus 20 female. So we have 40 students. But they are male. So the percentage of male student is 40 divided with 60 multiplied with 100 is equal to 2 divide 3 multiplied with 100. It should be like 66.67%. That's the way we need to calculate. The next one, a man promotes a new job with new salary $20 per hour compared with $10 per hour. What is the increasing on his salary? It means they talk about increasing the percentage. So percentage change in here should be like the new salary minus the old salary divide on old salary multiply with 100%. This formula will be on the test because they will ask you how to calculate the percentage for the change in the new and the old one. So this formula we need to memorize too. So the new one we have $20 per hour minus the old one is 10. Another 10 multiply 100. We have 10 divide 10 multiply 100. So that's 100 because the increase is increase 100% of the salary. Probability is for like you want to do the random selection. We don't know exactly, just do the randomness. So I had some question. There are 4 blue balls, 6 yellow balls, 5 red balls. What is the probability to select the red balls? So in this question, we need to calculate the total ball first. Is 4 plus 6 plus 5. We have 15 balls. So the probability to select the red ball, because we have 5 balls in here, so that probability is 5 divide 15 or 1 divided by 3. That's the probability of the red ball to select them. The next question, how many ways to combine 4 t-shirts and 3 blue jeans? I will draw the diagram for you. There are 4 jeans. No, that's 4 t-shirts and 3 blue jeans. We know that in here, 1 ball in here can go to 3 ball over there. This ball go to 3 blue jeans, and this one go this one, and this t-shirt go to 3 jeans. So that when we sum on together, they just similar. 3 multiplied with 4, that's a 12 way, because one way in here goes one way in here go to another way in here. So we when we add together, so we assume just like 3 and 4. That's why we use multiplication in here to calculate how many ways to combine 4 t-shirts and 3 blue jeans. That's why we use multiplication. So the test will talk this one and this one. I think that is the simple way. The next one, many people can make the mistake on the test. that is convert the units. Why? Because we just forget how to convert the units. So I just show you some basics the units, but in the test is a lot. But I think in the test they just go just like this. This one the basic one. I think they just go to gallon, yard, foot, and ton. So I will show for you. 1 gallon is equal to 8 beans, or 1 gallon go to 4 quarts. 1 yard go to 3 feet. 1 foot go to 12 inches. 1 ton go to 2,000 pounds. And you need to remember the time too. 1 hour go to 60 minutes, and 1 minute go to 60 hours. And the most difficult one, this is this one. 1 mile with 5,280 feet, because many students don't know how to convert the mile go to the feet. So you need to memorize this one. The next conversion, that's about the temperature. The temperature is mean that they need to convert the Celsius to Fahrenheit. So this is the formula for the convert to Celsius to Fahrenheit. But if you want to convert Fahrenheit back to Celsius, I will show the way. In here we have the formula, this one. We have 32, go to the right side is minus 32, and then C equal to Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 1.8. This is the formula to calculate this one to convert to Fahrenheit back to Celsius. And I have some question about conversion. There are 4 tons of food. How many pounds in here? We know 1 ton is 2,000 pounds. So that we have 4 tons. We need to multiply with 2,000. So we have 8,000 pounds. The next one. The rectangle is 12 feet. Multiply 16 feet. What is the area square inch? So they ask you about inch. So we need to convert feet to inch. So in here we know that one feet is equal to 12 inch, because 1 foot equal 12 inch. So that we have 12 feet. We just multiply with 12, multiply with 12. Symbol 16 multiply with 12. So that we have the formula. And in this formula, we have multiply 12 plus 12 is equal 140. And 16 multiplied with 12 is 192. So that's 144 multiplied with 192. We can get 27.64 in square inch. So what is the Fahrenheit of the 20 degrees Celsius? To calculate this Fahrenheit, we need to know C multiply 1.8 plus 32. We have 20 multiply 1.8 plus 32, and we can get the result is 20 multiplied 1.8 is about 36 plus 32, and we have 3 is 6a. So that's the F. That's why we use the formula to calculate the number. So the next one, that's about the geometry. So first one, we need to review about the square. We know that the sides are the same in the four sides. So that's the area, it should be A multiply A. But perimeter, because they have four sides, so that is 4A. The next one, this is about rectangle. We know the length more than the width. So the area of the rectangle, we have length multiplied with width. But the perimeter, we have 2 multiply length plus width, because we have 2 length and 2 width. In here, about the circle, we have the radius and diameter. We know that diameter equal to 2 radius or 2r. So when we talk about the area, we need to know that the square radius power 2 multiplied with pi. Pi is about 3.14. We need to know this number too. And the perimeter of the circle, this means on the circle around them. So that is 2r pi, or d is diameter, because diameter equal to 2r, so we can use diameter multiplied with pi. So that we have the basic formula. The next one, that's about triangle. In the triangle, you need to know about Pythagoras theorem, because they just follow the right angle only. For example, if you want to calculate this one, we need to use the Pythagoras to calculate for the right triangle. So that's a 6 power 2 plus 8 power 2. We got 100. But we know that the formula of the Pythagoras, it should be like this. So in here, to calculate the C, we need to square root 100 to get 10. So that we have S is equal to 10. The next one, we talk about the area of the triangle. Triangle, it should be the height multiplied with the base of the triangle divided by 2. Because in the triangle, this is similar like the rectangle, but they just like the half of the rectangle. So that's why we need to use divide by 2 in here for calculate triangle. The next one, that's about rectangular box. Rectangular box is something that we have one question, or maybe they don't have. But we need to learn because we can get maximum the score. In here, if you want to calculate the area of the surface, we know that the rectangular box, we have 6 faces. They have 6 faces. And we need to use 2 open bracket, length multiply with width, plus width multiply height plus height.